Alright, first game. Secure the property. Feed Grandpa blood. Hunt and collect blood from victims. Execute victims. From what I hear, Leatherface is the guy that you want putting pressure on him. So I am not... Look at that, I'm already getting my first kill. I didn't even do anything. It's OG money. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm about to get worked. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. I can't see nothing. Oh, okay. Is that how you do it? Rev chainsaw. Stop chain. I can't see nothing in here, guys. It's L2 to rev your chainsaw, by the way, guys. Press option button? What is the option button? Start? Oh. Brightness calibration. You know what? I knew this. Because this is the same way I had to do. Okay, there we go. Oh, collect blood. Okay. There you go. Hell yeah, dude. Collect that blood. Where am I going? Collect some more blood. Oh yeah, I gotta be looking for these guys like sound cue things, right? Oh, I can run a little bit. Okay. I think that's the one I already went to. I am lost as hell, boys. Generator turned on. How did the generator already get turned on? Is that good or bad? I don't know. What the hell's going on? Open doors, okay. Man, my boy's clumsy as hell, bros. Collect blood. I hear somebody going through something. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, that's the thing I already knocked over. Man, I was ready. See, man, I'm lost in here, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Just walking around like a big old... Oh, shit! Oh, shit! How do I attack? How do I attack? How do I attack? Anybody, how do I attack? It doesn't tell me how to attack. How do I attack? Oh, I got you. Oh, you sons of bitches. I had them. All that shit, it didn't tell me how to attack. What the fuck? Hey, other killers, they're still down here, guys. I gotta find them now. Yeah, R2, thank you. Oh, shit, I can't get in there. Oh, destroy? Damn, I had them dead to rights, my dudes. Shoot. Alright. We gotta find these boys and gals. And kill them. You know what I'm saying, boys? Oh, there they are. We're chasing you now. We're on that ass. They're still down here, guys. It's all good. Victim noise has awakened Grandma. Now you're in trouble, bitches. Grandpa, not Grandma, obviously. There they are. I see you. I see you. Coming to get them. I don't think they can hear me, right? Where are they? Man, I got no idea what's happening, boys. There they are. Nope. Damn. I know I can destroy this. Where did they go? Oh, there they are. Damn it. They're just looping me. Did I miss them somewhere? Could use a little help here, Grandpa. I don't know where these guys are. They go through across, so you have to run around the... Oh, yeah, I got you. I wish I could destroy that, so they wouldn't be... Damn, okay. How do I get out of the basement? Like, what the hell, dudes? Where are they? Hey, there you go. Good job. I didn't do shit, but good job. We'll count that as a win. Turn on. Oh, okay, that helps. Hey! Good job. You're better at this than I am. Collect blood. I don't even know how to get out the fucking basement, guys. What the shit, dudes? I'm literally just running around with a chainsaw with no idea what I'm doing. I'm totally worthless, guys. It is what it is. I'm gonna take all credit for this win, if we do in fact get a win. What the hell just happened? And that was weird. The sound went weird on me. Oh, I can lock the doors? I didn't know that. Oh, this is how we get out. Okay. Finally. Jeez Louise. Oh, shoot. Are they back down there? Or was that my noise? You know what? Now that I'm out, I'm just gonna stay out, though. Oh, that's you making that noise down here. Okay. Use my sense. I don't know what you mean by that. What is this? Oh, that's a chicken. I don't... What? It's the triangle or the directional up? Up. Oh. I hear somebody getting killed, I think. Bro, I suck at this game. Hunt down the final victim. Yeah, let's get the final victim, guys. We're doing great. I don't want to take credit for, like, all the kills. Okay, that's not an exit. What the fudge? Where is this? Okay, let's just find this final victim and kill this person. I don't even know where Grandpa is. Tells you where Grandpa... Oh. Okay. Oh, there we go. So there's my two killer friends. Hey, at least I'm destroying stuff. You know, guys? That I am doing. Thrust. Oh, that's for when they're hiding in there. Okay. Yeah, guys. So this game is very different. It's fun, though. Where are they? I don't see where they are. The hunt is over. We did it, guys. Hell yeah. Bro, I was easily the MVP of that game. Very much, I was the MVP. Without me, there's no way we get all those kills. Like, hell yeah, man. I should get like 100,000 XP for that, bros. Yeah. 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 Alright, guys, so that was my first game, Texas Chain Saw Massacre. I have no idea what I'm doing. Luckily, my other killers knew what hey, whoever Ryan Rodriguez is, shout out to you. That man must have been on the beta. He killed everybody. Alright, guys, GG's, GG's. Next match starts in, wow,